So before jumping to the topic, I just want to play a game with the audience. Okay. And in the next slide, we can see two famous personalities. Okay, two picture of them, and you have to tell the name and an introduction, a brief introduction about them. Don't need to turn your mic on. You just comment it. I can see that comment. Okay. You know these two guys? Yes. Can you please tell the name? Beer by Safe. Yeah, that Beer by Safe is not the original name. Can you please take the original name of Beer by Safe? Yeah, one is right, Tanmay Bhatt, and another one. Ranveer Alavadia. Yes, right answer, right answer. Ranveer Alavadia. Shuhani Kabra. Let's give a clap for Shuhani Kabra. Now, how we know this Ranveer Alavadia? What he do? What these two guys do? Can you tell? Can anyone tell that? What these two guys do? Anyone? Anyone from the audience can tell what these two guys do? Yeah. And Tanmay? What about Tanmay? Yes. So Ranveer Alavadia is quite famous for his channel Beer by Six, and now he is doing India's smartest podcast on Spotify Classic. You can see it on Ghana app also, and video podcast on YouTube on his channel. And while talking about Tanmay, I don't really know how to introduce this guy. From his channel to AIB, and now he's touching of every genre of YouTube. He's doing gaming, he's doing reaction, he has also a channel on personal finance. And I just don't know how to introduce this guy. And I just like this guy for his podcast, that is Honesty with Tanmay Bhatt, and that is you can get that podcast on Spotify. So I know, so you guys, as you guys know them, this proves that how digital media creates an ordinary man to a Bollywood-like celebrity. And here, hence it proves that. Because I see many of you comment their name and what they do actually. So this is the boom. Actually, this is the boom of digital media. Now, about these two guys are not any Bollywood celebrities, not any kids of any famous personalities. They two are just ordinary person and just making content on digital media like YouTube, Spotify, Ghana. They are doing podcasts, they are doing gaming, reaction, and people know them. And this is the user base. This is the user base of digital media. This is the potentiality of digital media. So now, my first question came here, what actually is podcast? Now, please, anyone can tell me from the audience what actually is podcast, and would you guys listen to podcast daily basis or once ever in a life, anyone listen podcast? After that, I will talk. Can anyone tell me what actually a podcast is, and any platform you listening podcast, or would you daily listening podcast? Okay. Anyone? Any platform, Spotify and YouTube. Yes. Certain topic in depth. Yes, absolutely. Yes. Which platform you prefer for podcast? Spotify. Okay. So podcast actually is a series of audio. Okay. A series of audio that makes on a particular theme or a particular topic. As John sir said, I can see in depth, one topic in depth we are discussing on a podcast. Okay. Now we listen to it via subscribe any app, or nowadays we can listen to it free, absolutely free also, but there is some ads running in between the podcast, and that's where the creators revenue generate. Okay, so I personally like the platform for podcast. I every day I listen. That platform is Ghana. Okay, and last night I quite remember. Last night I listened Devdutt Pattanayak. His Radio Mirchi show. He is on mythological speaker, and he's doctor by profession and mythological speaker. And his podcast quite motivating me, and quite knowledgeable podcast for knowing our country, for knowing Indian mythology. From some days I am listening to him. I just listen to Ghana podcast very much, and after that I also listen Google Podcast, Spotify, and there is also YouTube and all that type of platform that provide podcasts. And here is two type of podcasts. When we are talking about podcasts, when we're just talking about podcast, we just know that is an audio format. Okay, but there is also a video podcast also. So I just give you an example of video podcast which I am doing in my trail account. Okay, I think the sound is not here. Is the sound is audible? Podcast sound is audible? Host ma'am, is the podcast sound is audible?
No.
Okay, I am stop sharing and sharing again.
Prolite Talks, and this is the first episode that is a collaboration.
Okay, now audible?
Yes, now it is audible.
Okay.
That is a collaboration with Barun, one of my trail creator, one of my trail friend. So he is with us in this video call. So hi Barun.
Hello Pralay.
So Barun, what do you think about smoking and alcohol consumption in student life, and what do you think about how it can affect us?
यार स्मोकिंग और अल्कोहल किसी से भी नहीं छुपा है, और ये हर कोई जानता है कि इनके बैड इफ़ेक्ट्स, वर्स्ट इफ़ेक्ट्स, साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. अगर मैं शॉर्ट टर्म साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स की बात करूँ तो आपका कंसंट्रेशन डिग्रेड करते हैं, ये आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, इन सब का एक बेसिक कॉज है कि यू आर टेकिंग दिस हार्मफुल डाइट इनटू योर बॉडी इज टेम्पल एंड यू आर टेकिंग दिस. अगर मैं लॉन्ग टर्म की बात,
and it is just a small introduction about video podcast and how this video podcast look like. And there is also, and when we are talking about podcast, that mainly defines for audio podcast, but also YouTube provides this platform. YouTube provides the creators that platform that can do the video podcast also. And I think video and audio are like siblings. Video runs fast, and video leads and audio after runs. Okay, it's like sibling, video and audio podcast. Okay, now podcasts are two types. One is episodic podcast and another is serial podcast. And in episodic podcast, we can listen one episode, and another episode we can't listen if it's our choice. And episodic podcast, that is on the last to first basis. But in serial podcast, when we start to listen in serial podcast, we have to listen it from the first to last. It's like a Netflix series. Okay, we have to listen to from the first to last. Otherwise, we can't understand. So there is two type of podcasts. And episodic podcast, there is only one thing, like entrepreneurship. One day, 1 hour podcast that is fully focused on entrepreneurship. or 1 day 2 hour podcast that is only focus on relationship. That is not episodic podcast. That thing we just meet, we just listen and we leave that. Okay, that is episodic, and serial is we have to listen it throughout. It's like it's like any Netflix series. Okay. Now, this total concept of audios and coming audios is nothing new in Indian genre. Okay, if I am saying, so when I was in my childhood, I am listening to very much cricket commentary. I think very of attendees here who present who listen cricket commentary till now. Would you guys listen cricket commentary till now? Please respond. That I can understand. Yes. So from cricket commentary to music to religious audio is not new. Okay. So audio consumption of audio is not new in Indian culture. It's in our culture also. We listen to Hare Krishna. Okay, Hare Krishna. We listening to that Hare Krishna theme, Hare Krishna songs also. Okay, we listen to religious songs, any kind of. So that is also you can say a smaller version of podcast. You can say that. Okay. Now I just I want to. I just want to do a little hashtag movement. Okay, I know that today all of us using social media, and all of us quite know about using hashtag and all, and it's very cool thing I know. So we can do it. So from now onwards, the talk is going on. I just whatever question I am asking, you just put that in hashtag number. If you write in yes, you put it hashtag and write yes. I think it's like this gives us feeling like an WhatsApp or any kind of social media. It's like this feeling like Instagram, Twitter, that kind of social media. So can we do this? Can we do this, guys? Okay. From then when we are talking about digital content, we are talking about podcasts, we are talking about OTTs. Please let me know which is most famous for you. Which is most you can relate most with podcast or OTT, like Netflix series. What you watching more? What you consuming more? Would you listening podcast more, or would you listening Netflix more? Please use hashtag. Please use hashtag OTT or hashtag podcast. Yes. For me, I am listening very much podcast. Okay. Last night I just opened my Netflix account and I can't find any series I can't choose. I let it off and open Ghana app. Start the Devdutt Pattanaik show. Okay. Then coming to OTT, what is OTT platform? Can you guys tell me the full form of OTT? Anyone can tell me the full form of OTT? Over the top. Yes. What is actually means over the top? What actually means this over the top? Okay, it actually means over the top from another platform. If Netflix is an OTT platform and MX Player is an OTT platform, Netflix want to be more screen rate than MX Player. MX Player also want more screen rate than Amazon Prime or YouTube. And all this OTT platform is seeking for screen time. Okay, how much time you spend on their screen? How much time you spend on their app? They are actually seeking for this thing. So that actually means over the top or the top of any platform. Now Now types of OTT platform comes here: Netflix, MX Player, Amazon Prime, YouTube, and that's all we know about this. Please let me know which OTT platform you use most. Please let me know. I use YouTube and MX Player because it's totally free. I just love free things. That's why I just love these two things. Okay. Please let me know which you use. Netflix and Hotstar. Okay. Okay. John sir, which one you use? Amazon Prime. Okay. Shivani Kavra is using Amazon Prime. Okay. ओके लास्ट प्राइम वीडियो पे मैंने जो फैमिली मैन 2 देखा था, मतलब लगता है, हाँ फैमिली मैन 2 वही देखा था, उसके बाद कुछ देखा भी नहीं. ठीक है. ओके. प्राइम एंड नेटफ्लिक्स. ओके ओके फाइन. नाउ this is the growth rate of Indian internet users. We can see how much inclined growth is here of Indian internet user. In 2015, there is only 302 million users, and in assumption shows in 2025 there is 974 million internet user in India, and in 2021 there is 761 million internet user in India, only in India, and this boom happens when Jio comes. Jio does the rapid boom after 2015, and after 2015 we can see a lot of digital creators like Mostly Shane, Bhuvan Vam, Ashish Chanchalani, and all of the creators arising after 2015 when the Jio came. Jio subscribers came, and I also remember in 2015 I don't have any smartphone that have 4G connection. I don't have any smartphones like that. I purchased my first smartphone when I am in college first year in 2017. I purchased my first smartphone, that is in Samsung, and from then to now I am stick to Samsung. I am stick to Samsung brand. Okay. I just love Samsung phones, and this is the case. And after purchasing the phone, I took my first Jio SIM, and actually from now I am using that SIM. So after 2015, there is lot of internet users in India. So you can see how much potential this internet has. And if I am saying the mostly subscribed YouTube channel in India, that is Carryminati, which have only 30 million subscriber base, and there is internet user of in 2021 there is 760 million internet user all over the India. There is only 30 million, which is the top channel of India. So you can see how much market gap is there, how much potentiality is there in the basis of internet, in the basis of these digital media. Okay. Now we are Indians, right? So एक गाना तो तुमने सुना ही होगा कि सबसे आगे होंगे हम हिंदुस्तानी. So in the cases of coronavirus to internet, we are leading the top. Okay, so actually this is the stats of 2019. I can't find the stats of 2020 or 21, but this is the stats of 2019, where we can see India is leading of consuming internet in the second position. Now one question should came everyone's mind, that is leading internet obsolete radio and cable channels? For talking about cable channels, I just think that a consumer would take a part of cable subscription. If you take an cable subscription, if you take an cable to your home, you can choose what you want to see. You can, if you open HBO channel, then you have to watch what the HBO channel is showing. You can't choose what you want to watch. But in today's digital era, there is the full of choices. If you have an Android TV, you can put it Netflix, Hotstar, JioTV, Amazon Prime, and anytime you are going to work back from home, and at the midnight you just want to see कि अभी मुझे Family Man देखना है, अभी Family Man का 2 देखना है. But if that is cable channel, you can't do that thing. In cable channel, you can't you can see things as per your interest, as per your timing. But today's this ongoing digital era, ongoing platforms like Netflix, YouTube TV, MX Player, all of these platforms giving us the chance to show that show as per our timing, not per our cable operator's timing, not per any operator who any channel's timing, not for any channel's timing. Okay, and actually it goes for podcast and it goes for radio also. But in case of cable channels, that may be obsolete. Cable channels may be obsolete because there is now JioTV, there is now MX Player, where we can see all of the channels. MX Player we can see this totally free. JioTV we have to subscribe. I think we have to subscribe in JioTV. So in a minimal subscription we can see that. So I think the cable operators from now, the cable operators just providing us the broadband, just providing us the internet, and this OTTs is going to be the boom. OTTs is going to be the future of our generation. Okay. Now, hello, hello.
Yes,
Hello,
you're
am I-
audible, Pralay. Yes.
Yes, yes. My Wi-Fi and current suddenly gone.
Okay, no problem. Carry on.
Yeah. Yeah, my screen is visible.
Yes, now it is.
Okay. Now, as I am going to as I am talking about cable channels and all, now coming to the radios, I think the radio is not going to be obsolete now because there is many high altitude areas, and in ocean people using radio frequencies for for weather forecasting. Okay, weather forecasting and listening music also. Listening in radio there is some type of talks like podcast and all. So I think radio nowadays does not go to be obsolete, but in future if our smartphone have that type of capabilities that can catch radio frequencies, that can and in the app like Ghana, Spotify creates another sessions like weather forecasting and like this type of sessions, then I think in future radio is going to be obsolete. But it takes time. It takes very much time because for now there is nothing that type of any technology. Now this is the consumption rate of podcast. This is the consumption rate of podcast. In here we can see the consumption rate of podcast from desktop to mobile. Mobile have larger consumption rate than desktop and tablet. Actually, in my cases, I personally does not use any tablet for listening podcast. In the time of when I am working some data entry like thing or something like that, I have to don't need that type of focus. When I put the podcast on the desktop or laptop mic. But every time when I am traveling, when I am in the buses or train, in like this type of public platform, public transports, then most of the time I uses my mobile and put on my earphones and listening podcast. So that's why I think most of the people, that's how consuming podcast. Please tell me how you podcast, how you listen podcast with your mobile or with your desktop, and use hashtag please. How you listen to podcast, with your mobile you listen podcast, or with your desktop you listen podcast? Mobile. I think most of us using mobile for listening podcast, because that is very handy also, and just put on your earphone and you can listen whatever you want to listen. Now, this is the podcast listening of rate of US. I don't get the podcast listening rate of India, but this is the rate of this is the inclined growth of podcast listeners in US. So from this we can assume that in India that market is going to be boom, because in everything that comes first in European market, then come in Indian market. And when we are talking about India, India is a developing country and US is a developed country. So as a developing country, we are going through that phases which have the developed country. So if US have this kind of inclined growth, India also have this boom, because we are also developing now. And there is a monthly listening of podcast. This is 2018, 19, 2020, and 2021 demographics we can see here. This is the age of 12 to 34, where this green bar shows the 2080 how much listener listen. This blue bar shows 2019 how much listeners shows, and then 2020 and 2021 how much listeners show listen podcast. So you can have a brief idea from there how much this platform have audience base, how much this platform is going to be in future. This platform has so much audience. Now, can anyone tell me which picture is this? Which event is this? Anyone can tell me which event is this and where this event occurs? Anyone? YTFF, right, Niaz, it's YTFF. It's YouTube Fan Fest 2019. And after that, actually lockdown came, lockdown happens, coronavirus spread, and no more that kind of audience, that kind of gathering we can see. But it's the last gathering we can see in YTFF, and this shows how much digital media have the potentiality, how much net user base have this digital media, how much active user base this digital media have. And including this digital media, I can tell the Spotify, Trail, YouTube is all the part of digital media. And also now Instagram Reels and Instagram IGTV. I make IGTV videos, okay. So that's all is digital media. That's all the part of digital media. So, I just want to share for this digital media. I just want to share one small story. In the last month, when there is no lockdown, I just going to Big Bazaar for shopping. One boy suddenly come towards me and just telling me, "Bhaiya, मैंने आपको देखा है," and he just jumping and he just tell your content is so much informative, that gives so much knowledge, and he just want to take a selfie with me, and there is no issue, okay. And with this boy, another boy is standing with him, and this is I think this is his elder brother, and he does not really know me. He just think his expression is like no one cares. The boy is talking with me. The boy is want to say with me, and this the another guy is like no one cares. So digital media is all about that. There is so much variety of user. Maybe some people know you, maybe some people does not know you, but there is a lot of user, lot of content consumer, and there is a lot of user base, lot of ages user base. You can find 12-year-old, you can find 25-year-old, you can find 30-year-old user base here. And this is the variety, this is the beauty of digital media. Okay. And after that, there is some stats of YouTube and Netflix, how Netflix is going to boom. Netflix have around 20% subscription rate in 2020. Prime Video also have 20%. Disney Hotstar also have 17%. G5 also have 9%. So this is all the subscription rate. This is going towards upward direction. And in case of YouTube stats, and when I am in the previous slides, I am talking about cable network. So you can see here the proof. YouTube reaches more US adults ages 18 to 34 than cable network. And in the case of US, and in future, it also happens to India also. Okay, it's already happened to US, so it's now also happened to US also. Now there is over 1 billion of unique user on YouTube. As I say, you can see a lot of unique user. You can see the audience who knows you. You can see the audience who does not really know you. You can see every type of person here. Okay, and from there you can see the 1 billion watch hour of content is watched YouTube daily. 400% is growth rate in YouTube watch time. Okay, 90% or 93% are average viewability on YouTube, and 180 million people use YouTube in their mobile phone. I just want to know which device you use for this YouTube, for watching YouTube. I personally, for YouTube purpose, I personally use laptop. For YouTube, I personally use laptop. Okay, that is also mobile. Yeah, I think the mobile is very handy. Yeah, mobile is very handy. We can watch anywhere. We can watch it any public transport, anywhere we are, but we can watch it. And in case of laptop or any Android TV, that is very much active for. Now, how we can be a part of this digital boom? So for this part of, for the part of this digital boom, you does not really need a great camera. You does not really need an hefty amount to put into the digital media for creating content, for creating podcasts, nothing much. We have the smartest device on our hand. That is our smartphone. And from this phone, we can do a lot of things. Just we need the proper lighting, and we can create as much as content from our phone that we can't do with any DSLR also. Nowadays, the mobile is going smartphone camera is 64 MB, 64 MP, 124 MP, like that. And so I think the mobile is the best device you can for starting your digital journey. And you can start with this platform, YouTube Trail. This platform is giving you the absolutely free creator access, where you can create your content, where you can reach your content to the audience. And if audience like you, you get the following. And for and if you have not believed in my word, I am showing you two famous personalities. This is Bhuvan Bam, and another is Ashish Chanchalani. So Bhuvan, nowadays Bhuvan creates his content with his phone. We all know that. And Ashish, in his starting day, he creating his content with his phone selfie camera. He just put his phone like this. Like this. He just put his phone and creating his content. He very much active in Instagram. That time Ashish started from Vines. Then he doing Insta Shorts. Then YouTube. Then he got famous on YouTube, and now he is doing some he's using gears like camera, DSLR, and red cam, red gear also he's doing. But in the starting, you should not need to do that. And if you have a very good amount of audience base, if you have very good amount of popularity or brands noticing it, brands will approach you, and from brand collaboration you can earn a very good amount of money that can good for your for make a livelihood. Okay. And as I am there, I am talking about podcast. If you are want to start with podcast, if you have camera shyness, if you just want to don't want to face camera, you can start your podcast journey with your audio. So here is an Anchor app. This symbol is for Anchor app. So you can use Anchor apps to make RSS file and all. You can record here and you can upload it to Spotify. Anchor also combines with Spotify. They also partnerships have with Spotify. So you make content using Anchor, and then you can upload it to Spotify also. And if you are using video content, there is a question that many people comes and asks to me how we edit the videos. So I prefer KineMaster for mobile editing video. There is InShot also. From InShot you can edit a quite good amount of video. Actually, my brother, who has a gaming channel, he is now 11 years old. Okay, and he can't use the laptop and that things. So he use InShot, and he just using InShot and making gaming videos, making gameplays. And he has also subscribers to 250. Just 250 subscribers his channel have until now. He have views like 10k, over 10k views on one video. Okay, so you can start with your mobile phone. He record video with his screen recorder. I just downloaded the app to his phone, and he just recorded to the screen recorder. He edited InShot, and you also can do it. Actually, many of can do it. We have the greatest device on our hand. So that's it from my side. Thank you for listening me. Thank you, Blend Talks, for giving me this nice opportunity to present, to speak and listen everyone's speech, to speak ideas, to speak our thoughts. Thank you very much, dear host ma'am, for this kind, great introduction of mine. Thank you very much, Simrika ma'am and John sir, for putting efforts day by day to improve our content, to improve our PPT, improve our speech. And after all, I just want to thank my dear friend Oviru, who is in front of me, who just helped me in all the technicalities in the AirPods I am just wearing. That is his. Okay, thank you very much. And this nice room, that's also his. Okay, thank you very much, Oviru, for helping me in these technicalities. And this is Pralay signing off. Thank you.
This was amazing, Pralay. Thank you so much for such an energetic speak, such insightful talk, and trust us, Pralay, we have enjoyed thoroughly.
Thank you.
I am super happy with the energy that you have displayed. Thank you so much for keeping us captivated for so. Thank you so much. Now it is over to the audience. If you have any questions, any inputs, any points to add and talk to Pralay, the time is yours now. Anyone, please. By the time people think about what to talk to you and what to ask you, I have a question for you, Pralay. How do you think this OTT is affecting the normal commercial movies or cinemas? What do you think about it?
Actually, I don't think future is growing. So as the technology comes up, we have to keep मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हमें अडेप्ट होना पड़ेगा जो भी होता है, ठीक है. So I think we have to adopt the technology, we have to adopt the changes, and this in this corona period we can see there is no cinema hall. If these OTTs have not these days, we just go. We can't go any cinema halls, we can't meet people in this corona time. In the lockdown we are at home, and for entertainment purpose and for every purpose we are using this platform. And nowadays we can see that big movies releasing on OTTs only. That I think last movies like Big Bull, that is acted by Abhishek Bachchan, and that movie is also released on OTT. And Family Man season 2, that is quite popular, that got an IMDb rating 8.9, I think. So I think we have to adapt it. There's maybe there is some losses for the cable operators, as I am saying. If the Geo Fiber came with a handsome amount, then they also can't provide the broadband. People taking the Geo Fiber, and there is a monopoly of Geo. We can't. We are accepting that thing that is less time consuming, less affordable for us, that take less amount from us. So I think it's the future. We can't do it. Maybe there is some negative thing. Every coin has two sides. So maybe there is some negative things, but we have to adopt it.
That's nice. Thank you, Praveen.
Yeah.
Thank you. I guess you have a question there in the chat box too.
Yeah. How long does it take to establish yourself on the podcast platform? Yeah, it's actually really does not have that amount of time. Actually, if you are in this platform, you have to passionate in this platform. And I always say, make a backup plan. Make something other things, another profession, some another thing in your hand. From there you can earn your livelihood. And for doing entertain, for adding some value, you just do it. You just do it by your passion. Just don't come here for money, don't come here for fame, don't come here for audience. Because if you just come here for this kind of things, you so quickly you getting bored. You don't get when you are starting off na, जब हम कोई भी काम को चालू करते हैं, there is zero subscribers, there's zero following, people does not really know us. So if we are not passionate about the thing, if we are not passionate about the making video, if we are not passionate about making present us, so that they're quite tough for us to उस जर्नी में बने रहने के लिए ना, वो बहुत हेक्टिक सा हो जाता है. So this does not really think this does not have really does not have any amount of time. I really work in trail like quite 2 years long, and I remember in the last year in 2020 I have only 26K followers. Okay, now I have last night I have 203K followers on trail. So in the lockdown period I gained so much followers because people consuming too much content in this lockdown. So if you are going if you are doing videos good, if you are putting your 110% energy to your videos, if you're doing 110% to your podcast, if you are making a good script, if you are making a good video, then I think people will connect with you. Maybe it takes time because good thing takes time, but maybe it takes time, but don't lose hope because because I just show you the stats. There is a lot of user, lot of content user. Someone you like, कोई ना कोई तुम्हें पसंद करेगा ही, and you make my word. I think actors should solely focus on roles in OTT platform. Yes, and I think actors is nowadays actors are solely focuses on OTT platforms. Like Manoj Bajpayee, we can see on the Family Man season 2. What is his acting? Wow, mind-blowing. I just mesmerized with his acting. So yes, actors should solely focus on roles. Yes, absolutely. And Money Heist, Netflix Money Heist season, oof, that's amazing. And I think that is one channel's that is one channel's some season, but Netflix then bought it. Any more question?
I'm amazed with the kind of energy you hold, Pralay. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
answering these questions.
Thank you, thank you.
And I must thank the audience for your active participation and interaction too.
Okay, Niyaj asked something.
Please go ahead.
Yes, yes. Absolutely, quality of content. I prefer quantity over quality. I prefer it. Quality of content. If you have quality of content, maybe people does not notice you now, but you maybe notice after 10 years, after 20 years, like our famous director Satyajit Ray, and I can name the famous director in Bengal. There is many famous director in the previous time. Satyajit Ray, Tapan Bhumika, and that type of director, that type of works is getting mesmerized after 10 years, after 20 years, after 50 years, after 100 years also. So I prefer quality over quantity, because when you put out one content on the digital, when you put out one content on YouTube or Trail, that's just public. So before taking out, you put your 110, 120%. That ki after taking out that content, तुम्हें regret ना रह जाए कि भाई और ज्यादा कर लेता तो ये content अच्छा हो जाता. And अगर हो सके तो एक साल या 2 साल बाद people will recognize that, and then ऐसा ना हो कि people will tell you कि क्या bullshit सा content है, ये क्या content, ये क्या घटिया सा content बनाया तुमने, ऐसा ना हो. अगर 1 साल बाद, 2 साल बाद या 10 साल बाद भी लोग देखते हैं तो उसे लगे कि yes, this content adds some value to my life and this content has some value, and I prefer that.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Pralay. Thank you so much, audience, for your active participation.